Watch. Since we checked them all out in game, chat, if you disagree, just tell me. And then my mods can ban you. So, watch this. This major, it's easy. Let me... God. Insane W. Good. No.
ohnePixel, thanks for subbing.
Mid.
Hello,
Trash. Mid. Bad. W. Okay. I don't like when they're all the same color. Okay. Watch this. L? Nah. So, Pain Gaming? W. Apex? God. OG? I think God. In game that looked insane. Gamer Legion, I'll keep it at W for now. Navi? I have to. Furia? Not as good as other people make it. Absolutely not. Hard to combine on any skin. I'm telling you, because it has all the fucking colors and it's like washed out colors. Vitality, I'll keep it at mid for now. I like the Forza one a lot. It's a nice logo. I put it at high mid. Face Clan, literally god tier this time. Why? It has the exact same holo effect as Mouse Clan. The most expensive sticker from Stockholm. Exactly the same. Surely it doesn't look as good because it's not as thick. But it's good. Liquid, ooh, really not the best this year. B&E, I have to put in bad just because, you know, the logo is just not it. Mongols, ooh, it's like the same as G2 from Stockholm, the holo effect. I'll put it there. Ends, trash, sorry buddy. Greyhound is pretty decent-ish. 9, utter trash this time. Heroic is better than, of course, all the other heroic stickers. I think they're right here. Guys, we're talking about the stickers, not the fucking teams, bro. FX. The team sticker itself is good. I'd say. I think. G2. Oh, G2 kinda mid, bro. Monte sticker. Those look kinda mid. The signed ones are bad. The team ones are alright. Mouse is a W. Probably God as well. Into the Breach. It's pretty bad. Probably there. Complexity. I like them. Nip. Pretty bad. Fanatics are insane this time around, I think. Or I'll put them right there. And Blast sticker. Don't want to lose my palms. Yeah, they get their own tier. Make out of it what you want to make out of it. Boom. That's it.
Thanks for subbing.
That's it. What would you argue is wrong? All the people that disagree, were you here when we checked out all the skins in-game? All the stickers in-game. Not in inspect, in-game. Because that's what when you need to be here. FX God tier, I disagree. Bro. Pff. That's fucking god tier as well. Fuck me. Okay, bro, I put this one here, bro. Just for now, you know, not because it's bad, but it's actually like mid as well. Bro, those are insane, bro. This is like the orange mouse sticker. Orange, white, black. The exact same colorway as like mouse from Stockholm. Red, white, black. That is crazy. Are you insane? You are trolling. You are OG bad as fuck. Okay, then you clearly weren't here, buddy. Oh my god, this chat always gotta explain everything twice. You think this is fucking good? Are you fucking crazy? Huh? It is good. It is good. I didn't put it somewhere bad. I put it into W. It's not God, though. It's not God. It is good, though. It is really good. Bro, oh my god.
ohnePixel, thanks for subbing.
Navi. Why am I even reconsidering, bro? I mean, I should probably. Okay. Yeah, this one is so much better than last time. These are good. Furia. I kind of want to put them down into mid. Vitality. Those are good. Heroic. Those are pretty mid. B and E. Much better than the last time. Once again, much more saturated colors. But still, compared to the other stickers, when comparing versus the last B and E, God tier. When comparing between the other stickers from the same tournament, bad.
Love you, owner, but you must be.
These are like movie star. Same effect as movie star. Oh my god, so bad. Okay, which one were we arguing about? The OG one, right? Yeah, I like those a lot. Watch, watch, watch. All the pussies saying fucking OG bad. Are you drunk? Are you drunk? You're trolling. Yeah, this is the list. This is literally the list. This is literally the list. Yeah.
ohnePixel, thanks for subbing.
Monte W. I don't. Let's. Oh my. That's crazy. Holy. Wait, wait, wait. Wait. That's a downgrade, I think. The paints are so much better. They don't have all the other bullshit colors. I don't like this. Bro, mid is absolutely fair. I'm being nice here. I'm being nice. No more being nice.
ohnePixel, thanks for subbing.
Yikes. Holy fucking shit. Exact same holo effect as mouse. 1-to-1. They copy pasted. I'm not even kidding. Dog shit. I'll have to downgrade. If I put liquid in bad, they are bad as well. I think I can put nip one up. B and E is actually mid. B and E is actually mid. With their new saturated colors, I think they're actually not bad. Nip maybe here as well. Yeah, God here once again. I like these. The rainbow color doesn't fit well on stickers which are kinda big. I feel like here, it kinda makes sense. Like a little shining star. It doesn't look as goofy to have all the different colors. You know what I mean? I think W is fair. These can look good for sure. I'll keep it in W as well. Yeah, bad. Okay. So which one are we arguing about? I think that's fair. I think those are all fair. Do I want to reconsider anything? I want to see Nip again. Oh my god. Bro, I fucking love the Fnatic one. Where's Nip? Chat, B and E are not bad this time, you see? Much better than the last time. Much better. But still very thin, of course. Is that fair to low mid? Very low mid. I think that's fair. I'm not saying they're good. I just put them into mid, bro. Where's NIP, bro? Right there. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. No fucking full rainbow bullshit, yellow and blue. So you can actually connect it, like, make good crafts as well. That's pretty high tier in mid. And the blast one is as well. Maybe even, yeah, I would say right. Yeah, like this, bro, like this. Navi's pretty strong. Navi's stronger than all of them. Navi maybe W. This is it. Vitality is pretty strong as well, no?
ohnePixel, thanks for subbing.
Wow.
ohnePixel, thanks for subbing.
Wow. Oh, nee, those are God tier. Okay, we're done, we're done, we're done. I'm telling you, this is the list, bro. I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm telling you. Just like that. Just like that, bro. WL list. Say it, say it, say it. Chat. Keep it real. Okay. I mean, hey, can't agree with everyone. And if you have like one pick that you would do differently, that's still a W, bro. If we agree on like 90%, you know? Of course, you have some fucking teams where you are biased towards and so on. Okay, okay. I think this is how it is. FaZe Clan is insane. Fnatic is fucking insane this time. Pain Gaming, same thing. Apex, cool fucking new logo. Colors, I wish it was more like Pain Gaming, but it has the whole horizon, the whole fucking rainbow. Furia, I kind of want to downgrade, bro, I'm not gonna lie. Kind of want to put Navi up. Navi is not too bad. I don't know.
ohnePixel, thanks for subbing.
That's the one. That's the one. Try 9 on Prince stream. Okay, it made look good on one fucking craft. The fuck? It doesn't make it trash. Not trash. Okay, what else? Boom, boom, boom. And on the Prince stream, almost everything looks fucking nice, bro. Because it's just fucking white with some color. Like, huh? What else? Look.